Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing my face, my name is Atinuke. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this lovely DIY wig, DIY braided wig with a curly end towards the end. You can see the hair I'm going to be using. I'm showing you the hair I'm going to be using. Then I'm going to be using one pack of expression hair. Keep on watching. You see the main reason why I want to add expression hair to this braiding hair. So I'll put the link of the hair in the description box below. I used total 9 pack of the braiding hair. Then I use only 1 pack of expression hair. I cut the expression hair, I cut it into 4. You can see what I'm doing. I'm just sewing down my lace closure. This lace closure is 4x4 lace closure, but I cut it into 2. I'm going to be making use of the half. You can see the method I use in sewing down this lace closure, because this is not a normal wig cap. That's why I zoom it very well in for you to see. So you can see what I'm doing, just sewing it down. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate it so much. And if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly please make sure you click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and please make sure you click like on this video if you learn 1 or 2 things. I'm very sure you're going to learn 1 or 2 things, so you must like this video. Please support your girl by giving this video a huge thumbs up. So you can see what I'm doing now. I'm just picking out the expression braiding hair. The main reason why I added braiding hair to this hair, I don't want it to be kind of tiny. If you want to achieve 1 million braids, that is when you won't add any to it. But I don't want it to be very tiny. No, I want it to be a normal, not too big, not too small, like a medium length. Do you grab that? So you can see what I'm doing. I crochet a little amount of expression hair to the cap. Then I took a little amount of hair, the braiding hair. I use it to braid it down. Don't worry, it won't show at all that I added any braiding hair. That is the main reason why I didn't cut the expression hair to the length of this hair. This hair is very long. I can't even remember the inches. I can't remember, but I'll put it on the screen. I'll put the inches on the screen. So now I keep braiding. I keep braiding the hair down. After I finish braiding it down, I won't braid everything, because you saw from the beginning that the hair has a little coils towards the end. So towards that side, I'm going to tie a loop, a knot. You are going to see what I'm talking about. I just keep braiding it down. This hair took me 3 days to achieve, and that is 3 serious days, as in three serious days to achieve this hairstyle. The second day I didn't show anything, because I just wanted to make sure I move the hair a little bit up before I start filming back. So you can only see me changing clothes in 2 days, but this hair took me 3 days to achieve, because the length is very long. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm just doing the same method, as in I've been seeing this hair on Instagram. I've been wanting this hair. I remember me contacting Instagram seller that I just want the hair, not the wig. The amounts she called the hair, but don't worry, I got you woke up. I'm going to put the link of the hair in the description box below. I used 2009 pack of the hair and 1 expression braiding hair. Can you see the coils? Wow, this hair is bouncing, and the coils did not even disappear. Do you understand what I mean? Me sectioning the hair, the coils did not disappear. I really love the outcome of this hair. It's even tempting me to even do it direct on my hair. So you can see what I'm doing here now, just crocheting some down so that it will be easier for me to just braid down. That is what I'm doing. If you don't want this hair to be heavy, do not add a lot at the back. Make sure you space your hand. Do not add a lot. Don't worry if you don't add a lot at the back. You are going to cover it towards the top. You do the main work towards the top part. Now I'll be showing you where I'll crochet towards the top. I crochet very close to the lace closure so that it won't show that I didn't add a lot of hair at that side. The main reason why I didn't add a lot of hair at that side, I'm still going to be adding hair on the lace closure part. The lace closure won't be kind of big, so the lace closure hair is enough for you to cover the other parts you didn't add any. You can see how those sides are, they are very spacious, a lot of space are there. Do you grab? I'm trying to explain. I hope you grab what I'm trying to explain. Now let's move to the closure part. First of all, you have to braid to the back, some like 2 or 1 track, but I did 2 track on this closure part. I braid 2 track to the back so that it will cover all the space at the back, so that you won't see the space. That is what I'm doing now, just braiding to the back before I start braiding the both side. Now I want to section the side. I divide this into 4. This half closure, I section it into 4. So I'm trying to section the first track out now so that I'll start braiding. I'll section the second track out, and that is where my party is going to be. I will use my hand to pluck out a little because I want the party to be obvious, but not really obvious. It should look natural. Do you grab that? That is what I'm trying to do now. Now I'll section out a little bit of hair, then I'll start braiding. As you can see me here doing, I'm just trimming it out. If you want the trimming to be easier for you, make sure you tie the one you've not trimmed, make sure you tie it down, then pick it one by one, start trimming. I use this Dark and Lovely leave-in conditioner towards the end, then I trim some part, I trim it out so that everything will be equal. Then I use this Camphor hair coil to the bottom, then I trim it out again if I see some excess. I added some hair cream, mousse, sheen to add some shine. Now I'm cutting the excess wig cap towards the lace closure out. You don't need that. So this is the final look. I love the outcome of this. Can you see the roots? I really love, as in, this hair is just giving me as in rich woman vibe. Do you grab that? Look at the hair. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to click on the like button, subscribe, comment down below, support your girl by subscribing. Like, see my next video. Stay blessed. Ciao, love you. Mwah.